Welcome to this month's YouTube video, diving into a recent collection of donated artifacts from Brunatti Sons Ltd. Giacinto Brunatti immigrated from Italy to Canada in 1912, and his wife Favorita in 1914. They spent some time in Sudbury and working in the mines, before moving to work for the railway at Depot Harbor offloading supplies in 1915. On the side, he also worked in blacksmithing and shoe repair. In 1939, Giacinto opened Brunatti Sons Ltd. On Sequin Street in Parry Sound, where the liquor store sits today in the Masonic Building. The business originally opened as a shoe repair store. After the Second World War, the business expanded as Giacinto's son Joseph took a great interest in orthopedic shoes and appliances, including back, neck, arm, and neck braces. So the company began to develop such products alongside their shoe repairs. Over the years, the growth of the cottage and boating industry in the area meant that there was an increase in the demand for the repair and design of boat covers. People would often bring their canvas tops to the Brunattis, knowing the company had the industrial sewing machines to make the repairs. In the 1970s, after Giacinto passed, his son migrated the business away from shoe repair into boat covers, and in 1984, they moved to a new location on Pine Drive at the south end of Parry Sound. In 2000, development and construction plans for Parry Sound's south end gave the Brunattis an opportunity to sell their Pine Drive building. They moved to their final location at 85 River Street in Parry Sound. Brunatti Sons was now manufacturing a variety of outdoor products, ranging from boat covers, tarps, gazebo canopies, and other industrial covers and curtains. Their products were distributed not only throughout Canada, but also worldwide. Then, in 2006, the company expanded again, purchasing a self-storage business next door. At the end of June 2025, Joseph's three sons, David, Paul, and John, sold the 86-year-old family business, with David and Paul desiring to retire, and the family's next generations exploring other professional paths. In an interview with the North Star newspaper, David said they sold their building on River Street separately from the equipment and manufacturing operation. While David and Paul have retired, John and the other staff members will continue to manufacture products under the umbrella of the new owners of the equipment and operation. These artifacts from the business's long storied history have now joined the museum's collection to be preserved for future generations. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and come back each month for new looks into our collection.